Hello and welcome to Microwave Me. Today I'm going to be microwaving some bubblegum. It should be gooey and sticky and oh so bubbly good. I mean, it should be just such an awesome show when I put it into the microwave. How fabulous can such an experiment be? Well, you're about to find out. Here's the bubblegum, and here's the microwave. Take it out, deposit it like so, and then just get cooking. Want this bubblegum to be really cooked well. Uh-oh. Time cook 5 minutes. Now that's more like it. Had enough of that. I don't think that's gonna do anything more than melt. Now on my final verdict. Do I recommend cooking bubblegum at home? Yeah, is it safe to microwave? Sort of. Is there anything to be gained from it? No, it's just a yucky, melted, disgusting mess that started off smelling kind of nice. Now it just smells like crap. So, is this a good idea or bad idea? I'm gonna have to say bad idea. Don't do this at home. Chew your bubble gum. Don't microwave it.